Hey everybody, I'm back with my so-called wind generator that's now going to become a water-powered generator. I just wanted to, I'm in the processes of winding up another coil here. So what I wanted to do was actually show you exactly how I was doing it. I know I did a brief description in my previous video, but my gorilla and myself. Okay, I've already started running the coil, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to squirt just a little bit of two-part epoxy onto the coil. Alright, I'll put this away here. Okay, it's hard to do it with one hand on the camera. And now what I've done is I'll go around, I'll just smooth this out a little bit, and in doing so, you're actually mixing the epoxy at the same time. Okay, and to do the 3,000 turns, which is the initial what I've done. Okay, I've already done a couple of coils with 3,000 turns, and if you look real close, when I did the first coil, I put a black magic marker and traced out the coils, so I know roughly how high the coil is going to go. That way, I'm not sitting here cranking and cranking and cranking. I cheat a little bit, and I put the drill on. And what I can do then is I can slowly turn the drill around. And again, as I'm turning it around, the epoxy is squeezing out. Okay? And you make yourself a real nice tight-fitting coil. The wires are fully coated with the epoxy, and when it hardens, trust me, it hardens just like a rock. Okay? And then a little chunk of my EMT, my electrical piping, I'm just using that to run my spindle. And then I just keep a slight tension on it with my fingers. Now I know my hands are pretty rough. I'm into it all the time with construction and stuff, but if you got soft hands, I would suggest probably using a glove, because this wire is so thin that if you don't watch yourself, it will slice right through your skin. It's you know, it can be pretty dangerous on the fingers, but that would be my main suggestion, is to just wear a glove as you're just holding it. Don't pull it hard, because the wire will snap. It's very fine wire. Okay, but you know, just keep it on there so you can keep just a little bit of attention, and you can follow it back and forth according to the way the wire is being wound up onto the coil. It'll help guide the wire a little bit better too. All right, so that's a little piece on my making of the coils there, and I'll get back to you as soon as we get everything all put up together and make this puppy into a three-phase. And then once I get the three-phase, then I'm going to see what I can do about getting this thing self-propelling, or what they call on the internet over Unity. All right, we'll talk to you all later, and stay tuned.